Welcome to MQL4 EAS. In this video, we're going to break down the internal logic and structure of the Hedge DifPlus EA, built using the no-code FXdreema platform for MetaTrader 4. This expert advisor is a unique hedging-based strategy that places both buy and sell trades. It opens positions based on RSI signals, but the key feature is how it manages lot sizes dynamically, increasing or reducing them using two smart mechanisms, Lots Diff and Lots Plus, key components of the EA logic. Let's take a high-level look at the system architecture and walk through its main logic blocks. 1. Entry based on RSI signal. The EA first checks whether there are no active trades. If none exist, it evaluates RSI conditions on both sides, buy and sell. Depending on the RSI trigger level, it executes either a buy or sell order. Right after opening, it saves the lot size into a variable for future calculation and dynamic lot adjustment. 2. Open lots, diff and plus logic. This is the core grid and lot management engine of the EA. When new trades are needed, the system loops through existing buy or sell trades, checks for nearby trades to avoid overtrading in a tight price range, calculates distances using pip formulas, compares the count of buy and sell trades, then it triggers either lots, diff, places a new trade when there is an imbalance in buy versus sell orders. Lots plus adds to existing positions when price distance allows. This gives the EA the ability to balance hedge exposure while expanding the position size when needed, always. Respecting proximity and logic checks. 3. Close money block. This part of the EA is responsible for closing all trades once a defined profit is reached. It verifies. If there are trades open, checks the floating profit in money. If the condition is satisfied, it closes all buy and sell. Trades and resets the lot tracking variables. This ensures clean exits once profit targets are met. 4. Cut loss control. To prevent runaway losses, the EA features a cut loss mechanism. It only activates if the cut loss switch is turned on. Then it checks two conditions: whether both buy and sell side cut loss thresholds are reached. If both conditions are true, all positions are closed immediately, and the EA resets its internal states. This dual-layer logic ensures that losses are contained under extreme market conditions. 5. Lots sum tracker. For better internal calculation and logic branching, the EA constantly monitors total lot sizes of open trades on both buy and sell sides. This is done using bucket of trades blocks and variable modification. This helps with hedging balance and dynamic trade sizing. 6. Comments and monitoring. A simple comment block passes visual information on the chart for debugging or real-time status monitoring. Important notice: this EA is powerful, but like all hedging and grid systems, it comes with risk. Therefore, you must understand the logic and market conditions it was designed for. Always backtest with 99.9% tick data before using it on a live account. Make sure to monitor drawdown and plan your risk management carefully. The EA is ideal for range-bound or slightly trending markets where price frequently fluctuates around a zone. You can find more info and download this EA from MQL4.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to MQL4 EAS for more no-code FXdreema builds, trading logic walkthroughs, and ready-to-use expert advisors. See you in the next episode.